Hello and welcome to another instalment of Nature Diaries. It's Friday evening and we've decided to come for a walk at Decoy Park, and I haven't been here since the 90s. Doesn't matter where we're going or what intentions we have, Stu always has to take us off-road or somewhere that will probably lead to a dead end or somewhere dangerous.
Perhaps our most important tree species is the oak tree. It is known that these trees host hundreds of species of invertebrates. They also provide food for rodents and birds. In addition to providing food, they also provide roosts for bats and ideal nesting sites for a range of birds.
I haven't been to Decoy Park or to Decoy Lake since the 90s when I was a kiddie, and I remember I was supposed to go kayaking, and I'd never been kayaking before in my life on the lake with my best friend. And I got on the kayak and they pushed me out like a metre, and I freaked out and I was screaming for them to bring me back in. So I just had to get off the kayak and go and spend the day in the play park on my own while my friend kayaked on the water with his brother. But I used to have a irrational fear of murky water back then, so used to think pike would come out and eat me. We just found a little frog or toad, and it was so small we don't know what it was, so we need to identify it, but we're pretty sure it was a frog. Just in this field, and we saw a massive buzzard just flying over, and a crow was going after it, and then another buzzard came through, and now in the tree there's a crow, a magpie and a buzzard all like fighting for their rights. We found another frog. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. We have to protect amphibians because they're some of the most threatened animals in the world. We keep finding baby toads absolutely everywhere. They're all over the floor. So if you're visiting Decoy Park in the near future, just be careful when it's damp because there's loads of little baby toads. There are literally hundreds of toads, like baby toads everywhere, and I'm actually terrified to walk because I don't want to step on any. So we're kind of tiptoeing around like the floor is lava. But we just found, oh, there's one down there under the leaf. You just see little movements moving and you like focus your eyes because it's getting a bit dim now, the lighting. And then you see it's a tiny little toad. We're back in the car and we're going to drive home now. We had a nice little stroll around Decoy Lake and we saw swans and ducks and buzzards and crows and magpies, and most importantly we saw hundreds of toadlings. So I hope you enjoyed that and we'll see you in the next one.